Hi, I'm Kelly. You're in Darwin today. How you doing today, Darwin?
Great.
So tell me, how was your overall experience with Express Flooring so far?
Well, so far, with the exception of the salesperson not getting back to me on one call, the last call, good.
Good,
Good
good.
experience.
How was the installers that came into your
The
home?
installers were fantastic.
Great. I see again. This is beautiful. Just turned out absolutely nice.
They did a great job.
And then, what was one of your most best experiences with Express Flooring overall?
Probably working with the installers
Oh, great.
and having them explain to me, what they were going to do and, what the tricky parts were. And because I thought I'd just come in and lay down.
Right.
No, they were great. They
Oh,
were
good.
very informative.
Super great. Well, that's what we intend. Well, I thank you very much for having me today.
Sure.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank
you.
you.